Today, I'll show you how to install ClaudeBot in less than 2 minutes. We'll do a quick setup using just a few terminal commands, and by the end, your AI assistant will be up and running. ClaudeBot is an open-source AI assistant you can run on your own server. It connects to your favorite apps, supports skills and plugins, and gives you full control over your AI. To get started fast, we'll use a free AWS server. Create an Ubuntu EC2 instance using the free tier and launch it in just a few clicks. Once your server is running, connect using the browser-based terminal. You don't need to install anything on your computer. This is the best part. ClaudeBot installs with a single command. Just paste it, press enter, and let it do the work. After installation, the setup wizard starts automatically. Choose Quick Start, select your AI provider, and paste your API key to give your bot its brain. Next, connect a chat app. Telegram is the fastest and easiest option and takes just a few seconds to pair. Now you give your bot an identity. Choose a name, define its purpose, and set how it should talk to you. You can also add skills to unlock more features, like advanced web search. This step is optional and can be done later. And that's it. In under 2 minutes, your private AI assistant is live. ClaudeBot is now running on your own server and ready to help.